So in this problem, we are told that we are dealt a 5-card poker hand. And we're also told that 3 of a kind consists of 3 cards of one denomination plus 2 cards of 2 additional denominations. We're asked how many ways are there to get 3 of a kind. Well, in our 5-card poker hand, 2, 3, 4, 5, we know that we must have 3 of a kind. And so that is choosing one possible denomination. And so for this one, we have 13 possible choices. Now for the last 2, they must be different denominations. So different than the one that we chose for our 3 of a kind. And so for that one, we know that we have 12 different denominations remaining, and we need to choose 2 of those. And so we have 13 times 12 choose 2, which gives us 13 times 66, which is 858 ways in order for us to choose our denominations. Now, once we choose our denominations, for our 3 of a kind, we know that we have 4 possible suits, and we need to choose 3 of them. But then for our 2 remaining denominations, we know that we have 4 possibilities for the first card, and we want to choose 1 of them. And we have 4 possibilities for the second card, and we also want to choose 1 of them. And so this gives us 4 times 4 times 4, or 64 possible ways of getting our hand once we have chosen what our denominations will be. And so our total possible 3 of a kind will be just the product of these. So 858 times 64, or 54,912 possible 3 of a kind.